Come test drive the 2014 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, moonroof, Bluetooth, air conditioning, backup camera, alloy wheels, one owner. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.